Power outlets. There are power outlets for small electrical devices, such as cellular phones, in 3 areas of the cabin: the instrument panel, the console storage box, and the cargo area. The power outlets on the instrument panel and in the cargo area get power directly from the vehicle's battery. The outlet in the console storage box receives power only when the ignition is turned to ACC or on. To access a power outlet, simply open the cap. Please refer to the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to an outlet.